It's UKISUG Connect 2025. We're so excited to be at the ICC in Birmingham.
We have been rehearsing, filming and building this amazing exhibition hall and welcoming our delegates and partners.
We've started with some amazing workshops and a networking keynote.
Stretch your arms in front of you. Thumbs up. I always use that to make a picture for LinkedIn before I start presenting.
Now it's the networking reception, and it's great to see everyone meeting, old friends catching up and new friends being made.
Tomorrow is a long day of learning and SUGFest, so we're off to get some rest. We'll update you tomorrow.